Hello, Adam Kopecz, Excel lover from Poland. Today we're gonna combine text with different delimiters, two delimiters. In our example, we have shops and street names, and between shop and street we want to put semicolons. So between each shop and each street we want to put semicolon, but between street and shop we want to put another symbol. We want to put pipe, and it's important that in our example not each cell is filled. We want to ignore empty cells when we combine text, and this task is really simple in Excel 2019 in newer because we have TEXTJOIN function. In the first argument of this function we are putting delimiter. We can even put two or more delimiters, and in our example D9 E9 cells we have to for lock those cells because we are going to copy our formula down and we have only those two cells with delimiters. So we have our delimiters, and when we put two or more delimiters in TEXTJOIN function, it will be using them alternatively. So first we'll use semicolon, then pipe, and then we will circle around and start from semicolon again, and then again pipe. Okay, so we have our delimiters, then we have to decide if we are ignoring empty cells or not. As I said, it's very important for us to ignore empty cells, so we are writing true or 1 in this argument. And the last argument we need, it's just text, the range with text, so this row, and well, with this range without any dollars, and it's whole our formula. So we are putting in the cell and we are copying in down. It's working just fine. So we have semicolon between shop and street name. Okay, so here and here, and we have pipe between street and shop name, just like we want to. And in our formula it doesn't matter orientation of delimiters, or they are horizontal or vertical, it doesn't matter. We can even hard code them here, so we can press F9 and write them just like text, and the formula will work the same.